from the International Monetary Fund, essentially saying that several multilateral institutions have approved already almost 7 billion US dollars. Yes, 7 billion US dollars of that amount for Jamaica to draw down over the next 3 years. And the institutions did so on the basis that Jamaica has proven itself over the last decade to be responsible financially in managing its fiscal affairs. And I suspect this is an acknowledgement of that and a reward. You know, there are some basic principles. People are not going to lend you money if they don't believe that you can pay them back, that you're bankable. And essentially, that is what the multilaterals have said to us in Jamaica. We believe that you are now bankable, and we're going to give you, lend you, grant you, because there's a mix, both grants and loan funds. So they're not giving it to us. We will have to damn well work to pay it back. Yeah? But what is striking is the fact that they have responded so quickly. And that is what I want to spend a little time this morning for us to appreciate. Last evening, the development economist, Dr. Kristen Stokes, told us on Nationwide